Yaka International Conference on Agriculture in Hilly and Mountain Landscape, an interdisciplinary perspective. La Pynlong Kasngiha College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences, Umya. Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Marothia, President ka ISAE Mumbai, ulalong ukongsan. Haba ay jengkren hakani kasngi, Marothia ulaong, ba kanika conference kanlong kabak kongsan na kabentaban pinne pinsa ya kerukom rem. Hakani ka program la pelajru yaki kot keblada pinmi.
So when I proposed this conference to Dr. Anupam Mishra, I have myself done some basic homework that this is the region, if you compare all the 7-8 states of the Northeast, compare the geographical area of these states, it will exceed to many small countries. And it is such a diversified, land ecosystem, the mountain ecosystem, that we thought that this is the best place to debate about the hill and mountain agriculture system.